So, Sasha, welcome to Williams HQ and your first appearance on Team Elevate with Golf and Williams Racing. James here is going to teach you a few of the secret tips and tricks about social media. So good luck with that, and I'll catch up with you later on.
Great, looking forward to it.
Sasha, I'm going to discuss a few things about social today. As we both know, it's a big part of you developing as a driver. So I've got a few things I'm going to take you through. When I talk about social, really want to talk about it as part of your online reputation.
I'd say it's more to connect you to your following, to your fans, and so more people can know about who you actually are, and who you are as a person, more than just seeing you on the track.
I think it's really easy to forget that your account is obviously you, but it's a business. Be careful with the things you like. I will not say any more than that. Things can go wrong. Be really aware that once you publish something, it's there forever. Okay, now I'm going to talk about being authentic. And I want to try and show you an example of this. What we have is I've got a post that Lewis Hamilton put up after, I think it was Azerbaijan, but he mentions congrats to both Franco and to Ollie, both of who commented on the post. It says, Franco Colapinto, Lewis, to shake hands after the race was one of the most special moments I've had in my life. Really appreciate how much respect you showed. Looking forward to meeting you back on track soon. And you can see the engagement because he's being super honest about it. All making sense? Wicked. Being authentic is super important, and it's how you tell what your story is. You can show things that are behind the scenes and these pieces of content that to you might be boring, but to others is super interesting. When you're honest like that, you can start to build a story and people can start to relate to you. What we'll do now is we're in the Williams Experience Center. So we're gonna go around and have a look at a few of the different things, and then we'll try and make a social media post in the day. Sound good?
Yeah, sounds great. Look at this beautiful shot.
This is prime content. Grab a quick selfie and just make sure you've got the branding in there. Yeah, nice. Hopefully what we did today was useful.
Yeah.
And then going around and getting this content is a good way of doing like a post of the day.
I've got some shots around the car side and around the museum, so for sure we have some good shots to put on.
Yeah, agreed. That's such a benefit you have of being part of the Williams Academy. And with golf, you can obviously really use that to your advantage and make sure to tell that story, because there's lots of people that would love to come to a place like this.
For sure.
So, Sasha, well done on completing your first task for Team Elevate. I think you're going to find social media will play a pivotal role in your racing career as you progress. It's going to help you gain recognition, it's going to help you connect with your fans and also engage in commercial conversations. So there's no way around it, I'm afraid. James, how did he do?
It was really good to work with him today, and I think we made some super good progress. Sasha, how did you think it went?
It was really nice to see you talk about the different social media content, how that helps you grow your brand and connect with your fans.
You're going to be working with James for another 6 months or so I'll be checking in, see how you're getting on, and I'll see you all again in 2025.
Perfect, thank you very much.